The Edwin Jagger DE89, whether it is your daily driver or it is part of a larger collection, a fair majority of the wet shaving community has at least one Edwin Jagger in their collection. To learn more about this iconic razor, stay tuned. Greetings friends and welcome to my, kitchen with me, J-Mac, the Red Island Shaver. So glad to have you all aboard for this video. And yes, today, a short history on the venerable Edwin Jagger DE89 and how the company got started. So, by trade, Neil Jagger is a silversmith based in Sheffield, England, and back in 1988, he was dissatisfied with his shaves. Doesn't that ring a bell? Weren't a lot of us dissatisfied with our shaves? Hence how we got started into wet shaving. So he was very unhappy with an Italian-made razor. At the time, he set out to create his own, and that was pretty successful. I think that was like a solid head design, and then he went on to design the three-piece razor that we kind of know and love today. And that was a hit. It worked well for him, and then it got noticed. And he started getting orders, so he started making this razor in his cellar, doing that up until 1997 when he was able to open his first manufacturing space. And fast forward to 2022 and we are still enjoying the beautiful and incredible Edwin Jagger DE89. Now, with him being a silversmith and having an impeccable attention to detail, he has crafted a fine array of razors. And one of the cool things about these razors, they are available in a plethora of different colors, different handle designs, different knurlings. There really is an Edwin Jagger razor that is out there for each individual shaver, something that you can proudly call your own. Now, how do they shave? Good question. A lot of us start out with these razors. They're coined an entry-level razor, I guess, in the wet shaving sphere. I don't know if I would call it an entry-level razor per se. I think it's a fine razor. It shaves great, especially now with experience and having my blade combo figured out. This really is a great shaving razor. Now, would I use it as a daily driver back when I was new? No, I would not, because I could not get consistent daily shaves. But then also I was hard into the hobby and then the collecting, so it's like, yo, here's something shiny, here's something shiny, here's something shiny. I never really did stick with the Edwin Jagger DE89 all that long to use it as a daily driver and to experiment with different blades and such to really learn the intricacies of this razor. Now, 8 years on and having my routine and everything set, pairing it with a great blade, either a feather or a Wizamet in my case, it really is a remarkable shaving razor, a prized part of my collection, and one that I enjoy using more often than I used to. So to get back to that original point, can you use it as a daily driver, and is it a good razor for beginners? Yes. My one caveat with that would be stick with it. Learn it. Try not to get distracted by all the other shiny things that are out there. Run some different blades. They would really learn how to use this razor, and you will be surprised at how well it shaves. It is a meticulous shaving tool. It's beautiful to look at. It feels great in the hand. I do want the larger handle though. They do have the Chatsworth Barley handle, which for me would be perfect. Because I have larger hands, and that's something else that Edwin Jagger has thought of, was, not all razors fit each hand equally. So he does have the longer versions of some handles, and having the same threading on everything, it doesn't matter. You could buy one of the larger Chatsworth handles and put a head on your handle, and away you go. So really, that's about all I have to say about the Edwin Jagger DE89. It is a venerable part of my collection. It's an iconic razor in the wet shaving community. A lot of people use it as a daily driver. A lot of people may not progress from this because this suits all their needs. For me, it is a valued and prized part of the rotation. I tried to sell it once, and then I couldn't. I couldn't sell it. The more I looked at it, and I'm like, nah, it is a beautiful razor. I don't know if I can let it go. I took it in the den, I shaved with it again. I was like, yeah, no, I can't let this go. I have to keep it for all eternity, because that's how much I love my DE89. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that short little history of the DE89. Hope you're all doing fantastic out there. Thank you so much to the new subscribers. Do appreciate all the support. If you're new to the channel, haven't yet hit that subscribe button, please do so. Helps the wet shaving community grow, helps our channel grow, and that's what we're after, is growing this incredible hobby, this incredible community and lifestyle. So that'll do it for me. Until next time, my friends, be safe, be kind to one another, have a great day, and eat better shave, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.